Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Okay,
This crow fell in the water and was starting to drown. The bear grabbed the crow and brought it back on land.
Start to drown this crab. The bear is not always bad. Sometimes he'll be good. He's a good guy sometimes. Still dangerous bear.
After a few minutes of drying off, the crow flew away.
Dog is what celebrating for. This seems to be delicious. That's why he's celebrating.
This person was commentating a baseball game when he became part of the action.
This is baseball. Playing throw through the window.
And I made
catch.
the catch on the foul ball. I am very proud of myself. I hope somebody got video of that, as I caught it on the fly. Boy, am I impressive. What a play by me.
Okay, these dogs got the window. It's easy. Nice.
If you take a regular soda can and put it in hydrochloric acid, you'll discover a secret underneath the aluminum. The reason why your drink doesn't taste like metal is because there is a thin layer of plastic.
Aluminum react with the plastic. No, it react with the hydrochloric acid. And this plastic will not allow the soda to react with the aluminum. That's why the soda will not taste aluminum.
Thicker than the sides.
Okay, this dance looks like a dancing, very amazing recording quality. Very nice, very amazing. Feel relaxed.
NASA recently announced that humans are going back to the moon in 2024. The plan is to build a permanent moon base to help with future space missions. The moon base will be placed close to where there is an abundant source of water ice.
These are the challenges we face to push the bounds of humanity. We're going to the moon to stay by 2024.
Live on this is wild. This is Africa. I wonder why they don't attack human. This is amazing. This match will not explode. 5, 5. It's just a match. But it's still nice ball. Okay. It's dog playing with that deer.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.